Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So today we would be going for the second question, which is a 7 day rolling average sales for each product. As you know that I have started this series, which is a 30-day interview series question, and in within each day I would cover for like most are SQL question, which I have been experienced. So I would be sharing all those journey with you like so that you can have like you can also have the benefit like what all question are been asking in the interview, right? So without any delay, let's start the question. And like this is a table which you have a products and sales, right? So we need to calculate a 7 day rolling average sales. So like the interview can ask 7 day, 10 day, 12 day, 2 3 day, like they can ask you any like any rolling averages that like the concept would be the same, like. So for first of all let's join the table. We would be doing select star from the products table, which is P. Then I would write a join, which is inner join on the table sales. S. I would be doing P dot product ID. Then I would do S dot product ID, right? So let's run this query. So as you see, the table has now joined. Now we need to I don't need select star, so I just need a product ID. I need a product name, comma, sale date. Now I need to calculate the rolling average. So for the rolling average, we would be using this function, which is the aggregate function, which is a window aggregate function, which is an average. So I we would be doing the sales amount. Then this is uh, a row by row, right? So that's why we have to use over. Then I would be doing order by sale date. Now the twist of the question would come. We need to calculate the 7 day rolling average, right? So we would be rise rows between six preceding and current row, right? So if the interview asks like can you calculate the 10 day, so we would be writing 9 day preceding and current row, right? Though concept would be same. If they ask like can you calculate the 30 days rolling average, right? So the concept would be same. You need to calculate the 29 preceding and current row, right? The concept would be same. You just need to do one less than that. So if they calculate 7 day like rolling average, you need to give rows between six preceding, right? So I would change it to six preceding and current row. Now I would name that as rolling underscore average, right? Now I would take this average on the next line, and P would be coming from product table, right? So let's run this query now. Right. So now you can see that it is 500 dots, dot, dot, 400 dot, dot, 500 dot, dot. So it is not looking nice. So we can use two of the concept. One you can use round function. Other you can use floor, right? So I would be using today floor. I won't be using round. So I would be using floor because it will give you the exact, right? So I close the bracket now. This is the query. So you can see that now it is going like it is giving the exact amount 500, 400, 500, 475, and 500 for the each product ID. You can also give the partition by because in the question it is not giving any partition like we need to have for the each product. It is just saying like we need to calculate a 7 day rolling for the each product. It is not asking for the under the like each product name, right? So so that is a answer for you. Hope you have liked the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. I will give you the like create and insert statement in the description box of my video. And also tomorrow I will be coming live because tomorrow I need to do a project which is the first cry. So please stay tuned. And also you can share this video as much as you can who want to be a aspiring data analyst and or a Power BI developer. And also from the next week I will be starting Power BI interview questions. Like we would be cover some of the important DAX like some X. So I will be creating a separate video on the basis of DAX. And like once this project will be over, the first cry, then we will go for the Power BI DAX interview question as well, and this series will be continued, right? So hope like we will be having more and more content of the Power BI and data analyst. You can just stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Okay, guys, thank you. Have a great day.